Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel Engineering Guru 2020. This is the new playlist of belt, chain and rope drive chapter. In this video, we will learn how to find length of belt of drive. In open belt drive, the both pulleys rotate in same directions. The open belt drive is used to stop arrange parallel and rotate in same direction. In case of driver pulleys, belt from one side and delivered to other side. Thus, the tension in the lower side belt will be more than in upper side belt. So the lower side belt is known as tight side, whereas the upper side belt is known as slack side. So you can see this in figure. So this is the tight side and this is slack side. This is the driver pulley and this is the driven pulley. This larger pulley is called driver pulley. Smaller pulley is called driven pulley. We can see that this R1 and R2, this R1 and this R2 ready of larger and smaller pulley. X equal to distance between the center of two pulley, that is O1 and O2, means this O1 and O2, and L total length of the belt. The belt leaves larger pulley at E and G and the smaller pulley at F and H. In this figure, we can see that, so this is the belt. This belt leaves at point E and at point G in larger pulley. Then at point F and at point H, they leave the smaller pulley. So through O2 means this point, draw O to M means this line is parallel to this FE line, means this line. Both lines are parallel like this. You can draw this line. From the geometry of the figure, find O2M will be perpendicular to O1E. Means this O2M line, it should be perpendicular line to O2E. Means this is the perpendicular line. The angle MO2O1 means this MO2A1 equal to alpha radian. This is alpha angle. The length of the belt, this is most important thing. Total length of the belt equal to arc GJE, means this GJE plus EF, means this EF, plus arc FKH and length HG. So this is the total distance, or we can say total length of the belt. You can see this is the total length of the belt. This is the center line, and this is upper side, and this is the lower side. So both are same. So we can write 2 equal to, we consider this upper half portion, 2 into bracket arc JE means this plus EF and arc FK. So this is your equation number 1. Now from the geometry of figure, we can find that sine alpha means from this angle sine alpha equal to O2M divided by O1 O2 means this. So we can simply write O1M equal to O1E minus EM divided by O1 O2. So here O1E equal to R1 means this radius. So this is same. So we can write this O1E equal to R1 and EM is same like this O2F. So this is R2. So we can write EM equal to R2. So R1 minus R2 divided by X. This O1 O2 is X. So this is your equation number 2. Since alpha is very small, therefore putting sin alpha equal to alpha, so we can simply write R1 minus R2 divided by X. Now this arc JE, this is arc JE. So we can write R1 means this radius into bracket pi by 2 means this plus alpha. So we can write this arc JE equal to this pi by 2 plus alpha into this radius R1. This is your equation number 3. We can take this simply for arc FK means this. So here this radius is R2 and this is pi by 2 and this minus alpha means this angle. So this is pi by 2 and minus alpha. So this is our equation number 4. Now from the Pythagoras we can find this EM value. This is EM. So EM equal to MO2. MO2 means this. So we can write under root O1 O2 square minus O1 M whole square. So O1 O2 equal to X means S square and O1 M equal to R1 minus R2 whole square. So we can simply write MO2 equal to under root X square minus R1 minus R2 whole square. So take X square is common from both sides. So X under root 1 minus R1 minus R2 divided by X whole square. Expanding the equation binomial theory, so we can simply write EF equal to X minus R1 minus R2 whole square divided by 2X. So this is our equation number 5. We have all value like this arc J value means here this is equation number 3. EF value, this is EF value and this FK value.
First open YouTube and write down Engineering Guru 2020. Search. This is Engineering Guru YouTube channel. Open this and subscribe this for more update. Various playlists available here. You can see this is for various subject. This is for velocity diagram, uniform velocity, for cam profile, synthetic linkages, and more video, more playlists are here.
Put all the value in equation number 1 means this equation number 3, equation number 4 and equation number 5 in equation number 1. So we can simply write this L equal to 2. This arc JE means arc JE R1 plus pi by 2 plus alpha plus EF value. EF is this X minus R1 minus R2 whole square divided by X plus arc FK. FK means this value R2 into bracket pi by 2 minus alpha. Now here open the bracket, so we can simply write 2 into bracket R1 into pi by 2 plus R1 alpha plus X minus R1 R2 whole square divided by X plus this R2 into pi by 2 minus R2 into alpha. Now gather these two terms means R1 pi by 2 plus R2 into pi by 2 and take the pi by 2 common. So we can simply write this 2, this pi by 2 common, R1 plus R2 plus here gather to this term R1 plus alpha minus R2 alpha and take the alpha common. So we can simply write alpha into bracket R1 minus R2 and remaining this term plus X minus R1 minus R2 whole square divided by 2X. So 2 enter in this whole term. So we can simply write this 2 cancel. So we can write P R1 plus R2 into 2 alpha R1 minus R2 plus 2X minus R1 minus R2 whole square divided by X. Substituting the value of alpha R1 minus R2 divided by X from the equation number 2. So alpha value in this equation, so we can simply write pi R1 plus R2 by 2 R1 minus R2 divided by X R1 minus R2 plus 2X minus R1 minus R2 whole square divided by X. So we simply put the alpha value pi R1 plus R2 plus 2 R1 minus R2 whole square. We gather these two terms. This is square R1 minus R2 square divided by X plus 2x minus r1 minus r2 whole square divided by x. So this both terms are same. So this is plus and this is minus. So 2 minus 1 means remaining r1 minus r2 divided by x. So we can write pi into bracket r1 plus r2 plus 2x r1 minus r2 whole square divided by x. So if we consider this ready, we can write this. But whenever we consider diameter, so we can write the length of the open belt drive equal to pi by 2 d1 plus d2 plus 2x plus d1 minus d2 whole square divided by 4x. So this is the length of the open belt drive. So this is the end of this theory. If you find any query, you can comment us. If you find my video very helpful, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. You can also follow us on FB page, join us on Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel and WhatsApp group. If you find my video very helpful, you can like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay on this channel. More video will become of this subject. Thank you.